Wagon Repair workshop at Vadlapudi has been set up at a total cost of Rs 360 crore for periodic overhaul or POH of 200 wagons per month. Foundation stone for the project was laid by Honorable Minister for Railways on 15th of June 2017. Work commenced at site in November 2017 and workshop was completed and commissioned in December 2019. The project has been set up in 203 acres of railway land comprising 3 lines interchange yard in 23 acres with an electronic interlocked station building, workshop in 123 acres, administrative block and residential colony in 57 acres. Located near a major yard at Visakhapatnam, the workshop will significantly reduce idle movement of wagons for repair. Also, workshop layout has been designed for uniflow movement of wagons to reduce the cycle time for repair. A 700-meter long main pre-engineered building shed has 2 bays. Wagon bay for repair of wagon body and underframe. Paint booth and drying oven, an ancillary bay for repair of bogie, wheel set, CBC, brake system, bearing, etc. The workshop has been equipped with the latest state-of-the-art machinery and plant, material handling systems, various utilities, an automatic material storage and retrieval system. Green initiatives for sustainable development include 1 megawatt shed roof mounted solar power plant, sewage and waste water treatment and recycling plant, rain water harvesting, tree plantation, LED lighting, natural day lighting and ventilation in sheds.